This is the all-new Toyota Prado. As expected, it's essentially the Toyota equivalent of the new Lexus GX unveiled a few weeks ago. Think the same basics with a lot less tinsel, which means a radical and boxy new look with a unique front-end treatment reminiscent of the original Land Cruiser models and the popular FJ Cruiser. But importantly for the Australian market, unlike the Lexus, the 5th generation Prado will remain diesel only, courtesy of a mild hybrid 2.8-litre turbo diesel that will grace the Hilux next year. Other updates to the mechanicals include an 8-speed auto, but there's no news yet on whether a full hybrid version will make it down under. For the time being, the 2.4-litre turbo petrol hybrid is targeted at the USA and China. Toyota Australia is being tight-lipped on many details of the new Prado ahead of its local launch in mid-2024. There's no model lineup details, no towing capacity confirmation, and no news on the current Prado's trump card, which is a huge desert crossing fuel capacity. For now, we do know the new Land Cruiser 250 series, that's the official name, is based on the same TNGAF ladder frame as the 300 series Land Cruiser. So you can expect improved refinement and performance on, but especially off-road. Inside, the new Prado 250 series echoes the Lexus GX, albeit with more prosaic materials and surface treatments. Toyota says the cabin delivers 3 principles. It will be reliable, timeless, and professional. There'll be plenty of new tech and safety and more stretching room for 7, thanks to the same rangy wheelbase as the 300 series, which is just 35mm longer overall. Plenty more info to come as Toyota drip feed the information on the new 250 series Prado.